Hey, what's up? I'm Jeff, and welcome to my channel, Voth Quality Creative. Stick around to see how I installed this USB charging kit to my motorcycle. First, I'm gonna start off by taking off all the paneling. This was by far the most nerve-wracking part of the project, since I didn't want to break any of these panels. When I got to the faux tank panel, I kind of rocked it back and forth. So when you get to this point, you'll find this accessory panel. I'm just gonna bypass this and hook it straight up to the battery. I didn't want to use the accessory panel because I didn't want to have to solder anything together or put too much pressure on the panel itself. The charging kit comes with these zip tie holes, and I was able to use that to attach it to the bike. After attaching some zip ties, it's time to put it all back together. Now my wife doesn't have to worry when my phone dies and I'm on a long ride. Thanks for watching. I'll have links in the description below to the USB charging kit that I used. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I also have more videos you can check out. They'll be somewhere around here. Take it easy.